He was pushing his walker and walking.
But then, so then he strips the bed, and he folds the towels, and he puts the cookie in that first. Well, there, the nurse was very gentle and tried to get off the blood right away.
How did this happen? Something about
Well, he didn't even see it. They were outside with the dog. Steve, Maria, and Elizabeth. Stephen told Elizabeth to carry the shovel to pick up anything.
I picked up the food, she carried the shovel.
Okay. And she said she was walking up the driveway and slipped and fell.
Today's Thanksgiving Day. We're Grandma and Grandpa Kudo. Hey, sit down and be nice.
Get Maria over here. Go crawl around here, Alex. You can't.
All right, you guys know.
I love you.
I love you too. Alex. All right, let him. Not stupid. Ellie, stand up so I can see your dress.
Stupid, huh?
Put it out, Lee. Hi. Hi, Alex.
Andy.
Alex is 8 months, almost 8 and a half.
I had first.
Jay had him first.
No, I had him first. Let me have that. Mom, she gets everything. I'm hungry.
What do you want?
I don't know, another cupcake.
Okay.
Why did he put extra ones for us to take home?
Oh, maybe we better wait.
Get those all over you.
Can you get through there? Are you done with it?
Taking pictures again.
Yep.
How about some?
Of the dirty countertop.
Oh gosh, you can't see it. It's too.
Aunt's taking your picture, better hide.
Oops, there she comes up again. Well, listen to this, Jim. This on Friday evening at retreat, a very impressive service was held. And you
Is it what it says?
said the governor.
Singing children singing all is merry.
Look at me up. Look at me, Mom. Look at me, Mom.
Oh my gosh. Phantom of the Opera.
Let's see this at
Where's Alex, Lee?
Mom, can I have another one?
What are you doing
I
there?
want a white cupcake.
Alex. Alex. Hi guys. Here we are at the Holly Jolly.
Joy to the world. Joy to the world, my teacher.
Hey, I don't want to hear that. Lee, cut it out.
We didn't like their body. We crushed it down the body. We didn't like their body. We crushed it down the joy to the world.
Hi Kelly. We like this one?
Hey, my Christmas is coming down.
Say cheese.
Jeez. But it's not.
Uh-oh, where's Aunt Melinda? Happy birthday.
Pizza. Hey, that's
Jay Kuda.
cheese. Nope. Video game, pizza, spaghetti. Pizza,
Pizza, Batman.
Cheese, pizza. Cheese, pizza, pizza.
Chan.
When's your Janet gonna be here, Mom?
No, Aunt Janet's not going to be here. Uncle John took the boys up to Wisconsin.
Let me take one final look.
Grandma's here.
Yeah. It's a keeper. Jenny, don't sit on that. How much are these?
29.
mean, they're 49.
No, they were 29 last year.
I thought they were.
That's
Nope.
Is that? That's a nice one.
Can't have it.
That is a nice one. Okay. Hey, Dan, my man.
You're cutting it way at the bottom, right? Oh, out here? Okay, all right. Although Frank's cutting and I wanted to get the cutting. You'll have to wait a minute. Okay.
We're gonna give him Tylenol. Have you got yours? Doctor said you can give it to him every 4 hours for a day.
Did you get, are you getting 2 of them?
But
Julie, did you get 2?
No, I just one out.
You should, because you're going to do it every year. That's what we're going to do.
Well,
Oh, it's done?
wow.
did you get me? No.
Well, I kind of had it aimed that way. Wow.